I love to resell golf stuff, whether it's clubs or memorabilia. I find it at thrift stores and garage sales and flip it on eBay for hopefully a profit. And ironically enough, one of the most prestigious and elite golf courses probably in the world is only an hour away from my house. Now, if you don't know, Augusta National is home of the Masters, which is kind of a big deal. It's like the Super Bowl, the World Series, or even the Stanley Cup of golf. And the stuff that they sell there, the memorabilia, can go for some crazy money online. So I got the bright idea one early Saturday morning to drive down there and see what I could find. Now, admittedly, my yard sale journey didn't start off too great. I mean, I found some Masters stuff, just not at a price that I could afford. Until I came across this guy.
Cheap.
Cheap, cheap?
Yep.
How much is cheap, cheap?
$10 for a set iron.
They're not in great condition, but you're right, that's cheap, cheap. I'm gonna grab them. I'm gonna grab them.
Oh, any of those putters, $2 a piece.
$2 a piece?
These irons here, they are women's hybrids. They belong to me. He wants $20 for the set.
Okay.
Come with the bag and all, but just the irons. And all these drivers, they $10 a piece.
Okay.
Some of them, like this near, like the super near.
I saw that Arkansas. That's pretty neat. I've never seen that before.
Actually got 3 of them. Arkansas, or 2 of them. I think somebody bought one.
You said 2 on the putters?
Yeah. All the golf balls are $3 a sleeve.
Okay.
All these are brand new and these are used. They all tightness, I think, in those tailor made. The bag of tightness, they $5 a bag.
Okay. How much you say on this set? I'm sorry. You said 20?
The guy wants the whole deal right here, $15.
15 bucks.
Bag, everything. This and these right here don't belong to me.
I'm gonna think on those. Alright, I think I'm ready to set it up, would you? I'm gonna get these 2.
Alright.
That's the full set, all the way down to the 2 iron. Don't find that very often. 2, 3, 4. Yep, got the pitching wedge. That's 15, 21, 31, 2, 4, 6, 37.
Yep. Didn't know a thing of balls make it even 30.
You taught me to it. I need them like I need a hole in my head, but. You don't have the Nikes no more.
Oh.
I got the last pack.
Yep, them 2 there right there.
Yep.
I didn't even know they were Nikes until.
I get this pack of Bridgestone right there.
Alright.
40 bucks, right? There you go.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you.
If you know anybody, I own a trailer place here, and I'll have these all during the week. Well, I'm closing next week, but the following week, anybody needs some balls, just tell them to come see me.
Okay. You find a lot of clubs?
I had probably 5,000.
Really?
I had a buddy of mine, he used to fix clubs. He was an older guy. He retired and he just all of a sudden got sick, and about 2 weeks later he passed away.
Oh,
and his
no.
wife said, "Couldn't get all these clubs. I had things to build clubs,
Yeah.
put handles on them and grips on them, to put the heads on them. I had a bunch of heads,
Yeah.
bags. I had 40 something bags.
Really?
And I sold it for $10 a piece.
Yeah.
And they was, and all the things right there. Them three I got left. I bet I had 25 of those. But
Wow.
I've had a bunch of golf.
I bet. It sounds
a
like
bunch of them that were just, wasn't much to them. And I called this
Sure.
guy called First Start or something like that over in Augusta.
Yeah.
For kids.
Yeah.
He come over here and I said, these are the ones I'm just going to give away.
Yeah.
And
That's a good organization too.
And he said, we fix clubs too, so I give him pretty much all the stuff I had left to put grips on them and
Right.
put the heads on them. I give him all that stuff. It's a measuring thing where you cut,
Yeah.
the length of the club.
Yeah.
I just give him all that stuff too.
Well, they can certainly use it. Awesome. Well, I appreciate it.
All right, I appreciate it.
I hope you sell out. Thank you, sir.
All right, appreciate it.
So kind of a crazy story how this guy got all of these golf clubs, and I admit they weren't in the best condition, but with my wire brush and some golf erasers, they actually came pretty clean. You can see this Callaway set here actually turned out really nice. And I even got a bonus Masters golf towel that I didn't even know was on this bag, so that was a win as well. But this next garage sale was even better, not because of what I found, but the guy running the sale was an absolute legend.
How you doing, sir?
Good about you?
I'm doing good, doing good. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, man. Y'all been busy? Y'all been busy?
Yeah, pretty much. We started out about 8, and matter of fact, it's been quite a few folk who've come by, whatever.
That's good. That's good.
And I'm gonna tell you something. This and matter of fact, what size do you know?
I'm a 12.
12?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's yeah. We got out here. We got stuff squared away last night, and then got out here early. So it's been a lot of you guys who are early birds.
Right.
Yeah, take your time, and if you need any assistance, just give us a holler.
I certainly will. I see you got some golf hats. You're not selling any golf clubs, are you?
Well, I'm a left-handed golfer.
Are you?
Yeah.
Hey, that works.
Only thing I got right-handed. I don't know if you're right-handed or left-handed, but the only thing I got right-handed is a few putters, and I got a few older golf bags. But I know you don't need those.
Hey, what kind of putters you got?
Huh?
What kind of putters you got?
Let me.
Should I got hold of these? I like that grip.
Yeah. Yeah. Matter of fact, as you can tell, I put a few of them on that. And this is called. It used to be that teardrop. This is called pure.
I got you. Yeah.
So
I got you.
that's all the putters that I have.
I got you. Well, I appreciate you letting me look.
All right, no problem.
How much are your Masters cups out here?
Oh, five for $1.
5 for $1.
You want them, just make it. I'm just trying to. I used to volunteer out there in the Augusta National.
Oh, I'm jealous.
And I collected them, and my wife got tired of looking at them up in the what's called. So I just said, well, heck,
Well, you got all the years. How much you want for all of them?
Tell you what, for all of them, would $10 be okay?
That's perfect.
Okay,
That's
yeah.
perfect.
Okay,
And
that's good.
I'll take them out and save you your basket too.
Okay, and you can have the basket if you want.
You sure?
Yeah, absolutely.
That'll let me tote it around.
Okay,
There's
you
a
get
20.
it, hold that and I'll go get you.
Okay, appreciate you.
All right, here you go.
Not getting rid of any more Master stuff, is you?
Huh?
Not getting rid of any more Master stuff, are you?
I got some more stuff in the house. I got some shirts. I wear double extra large, but those are large. I mean, I'm sorry, extra large or whatever.
Yeah.
and that's about it. I'll check to see if we got anything. What kind of stuff are you looking for?
Anything. I just love it.
Oh, you just
I just love it. Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
I wish I would have been prepared for this because
No, you're good.
I got ball markers, and I volunteered out there for 20 years.
Yeah.
And so I bought stuff every year or whatever. But let me check something out real quick.
That'd be awesome, man. I appreciate you.
That's the only thing I can put my hands on, man. I don't know if this is a putter cover.
Yeah.
And this is just some ball markers. These are color rubber, and these were $20. I'll sell that for $5. And this one was 29, and I sell that for 10.
Hey, I love it.
Okay, all right. Okay,
Look at
I
that.
appreciate you.
Yeah, hey,
Man.
I appreciate you looking.
Yeah, I appreciate it. And
I appreciate you looking. I love it.
Okay.
I'm telling you, I'm addicted to this stuff.
Oh, okay, good deal. Well,
Big fan. I've only got to ever go twice.
Oh, really?
And because the only way you can do it is play the lottery now.
Yeah, that's
So,
true. That's so true.
That place is like heaven on earth.
Oh,
though.
you ain't kidding, because I have to tell you, I volunteered out there for 28 years. And I got to play the course 28 times. You know, they let us play it once a year to volunteer.
Wow.
And just experience.
I feel like I'm talking to a legend right now.
Well, I don't know about that, but I really enjoyed it, man.
What'd you do out there, if you don't mind me asking?
It was called a Gallon Guard, just doing a tournament.
Yeah.
Just doing a tournament, and we volunteered.
Yeah.
And so that's why we got to play, and we get discounts on the souvenirs.
Right.
Play day.
Yeah.
We went up there on play day.
Right.
And then, but the last about 8 years, they got smart, and what they did, all they put out was mostly the dated stuff.
Right. Gotcha.
But I mean, hey, it was still nice.
Absolutely.
Over those 20 years, I bought a lot of stuff that I enjoyed and shared with people and friends and things of that nature. Whatever.
They definitely got some cool stuff.
And let me tell you something. I've traveled. Me and my wife been to 23 countries, 38 states, and I played some nice courses all over the country and the world. And I might be a little prejudiced, but as far as an inland course, is nothing better.
Oh no!
Now you can't beat the aesthetics of Torrey Pine. Well, not Torrey Pines and some of those places with water by it.
Like Pebble Beach on the cliffs and stuff like that. But I mean,
but just for us a course with
nothing's out of place.
You know, and let me tell you something. When I was volunteering out there, folk come from all over the world.
Oh, 100%.
and they just be amazed. It's phenomenal, man, and I enjoyed it. I miss it to some degree, but I don't miss it because of, I'm 66 now, so and going up and down the hills and getting up early and the weather, so I don't miss that. You just have to try to be prepared for it or whatever. Matter of fact, my wife volunteered for 2 years out there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, she did it for 2 years.
That's awesome.
And so we enjoyed it though, man. Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you pulling this stuff out for me.
Man. All right, man.
And good luck with your sale. Hope you sell out.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
I don't know if you guys caught that or not, but this guy volunteered at the Masters for 28 years. He played the course 28 times. That's kind of a huge deal. I mean, can you imagine the golf history that this guy has seen? I mean, he was obviously there in 97 when Tiger won his first Masters. I've got the cup to prove it. Just absolutely amazing talking to this guy. I actually had to cut our conversation down from 30 minutes to 6. Had such a great time talking to him at the garage sale. Kind of forgot about the stuff, and I probably won't even sell the stuff except for the cups. I'm going to sell those if I ever get around to getting them listed. But overall, it was a great day, especially if you're a golf nerd like I am. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.